Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch the Japanese flying squid in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically the Japanese flying squid is the event fish. So you're going to catch them during the event. Well, let me show you my fish observation. Okay, these are the fish from the current Fashion Wave event. And one of them is this Japanese flying squid. If you want to catch this fish, go to the whale sea and you can catch it in any weather, anytime. So just go to the whale sea, and if you're lucky, you will get the Japanese flying squid. And it's not that hard to catch, guys. So just keep fishing until you get this fish. Okay guys, and that's how we can catch the Japanese flying squid in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.